Good morning, blessties. We are at one of my favorite places to go. If you need a little extra cash and you want to, spring up, a new wardrobe, I would highly recommend check out this amazing place. So, what I love about it is they're very, very, very organized. And while you're still here, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment what your favorite wardrobe is this season. What is your favorite accessory? I would love to know. Let's talk about it in the comments. So what I love about it is super simple. You go inside, you bring in your bag of clothes, right? Make sure they're clean, you guys. Wash your clothes first. Fold them. If you don't know how to fold, then at least put them in the bag decently. What I like to do is make sure that everything is clean and organized, and I try to get things that I know are appealing to the crowd. This is more like college. I feel like more college entrepreneur type of like content creator type of clothing. And so it's not, I wouldn't say this is for like the church dresses, but more so like spring outfits, picnic wear. If you're gonna go out on a nice date night, if you're gonna go to vacation, this is the type of scope they're looking for. Now, make sure that it does have a tag on it, because they do want to see if they can look it up in their systems to make sure you get a decent price, right? Because they are going to resell it. It's a consignment place, right? So, make sure you go into this place expecting to get a return. What I like to do is pray over my process. I believe in Jesus, and so I just believe God is going to allow me to receive the amount that He knows I need, right? So I like to just be genuine, be myself, be kind. If they don't accept your clothes, that's okay. Go to the next store. It's not that deep, guys. Let's work on emotional intelligence all 2025. Amen. Let's go inside and get some money. One tip I've noticed is to try to put the clothes that have the tags in the front so they can see that you're serious about actually selling something decent. Just a tip I thought would be cool. The birds are chirping and it's a beautiful day out today. Not too hot, not too chill, but perfect to get some money. All right, let's go get it. Hey guys. Gorgeous. Hello, how are you? Good morning. So make sure you sign in with your number, and then what you do is you just put if you want to get the offer, if you want to donate your items, or all the things, and then agree, and then boom. See? And then they call you up when they're ready. So this is the best place to get some cute stuff for your beach trips, your vacay. If you want to get content creating, if you want to get some new wardrobe for your closet, I recommend you try this out. So guys, this is where you want to come to get cute clothes, especially if you want something cute for like a date night out with your husband, something very, very nice. But they do have modest clothing as well, okay? But I recommend, you can get shoes here, guys. They have all the things you need. So if you're looking for a place to get like cute stuff that's affordable, check them out. Like, this is screaming at me. I love feathers. Hold on, wait a minute. This is cute. Okay, that's really pretty. Like a nice date night. Look at that. See, prices are not bad at all. So yeah, I know most young people will probably wear this for another occasion, but this would be better for like a nice date night with a nice blazer on top. Super cute. They do have slides, they have heels, they have shoes, they have male clothing as well. So, and even if you want to wear something nice out to church, I think that's pretty cute. Especially if it was like a New Year's party or something, that'd be super cute actually. But yeah, check it out. What I've learned is that if you like something in the store, try your best to keep a hold on to it. There's not duplicates typically because it's a consignment shop. Oh my gosh, this is so me, you guys. How cute. Isn't this me? Oh my god, it's so freaking cute, right? And it's not even like expensive. Like, shout out to Uptown. So freaking cute. Keep what you like because there's not duplicates, as you can see. When you see it, grab it, girl. And then what you can do is at the end, when you get your buyback, you can usually literally swap out, girl. Like, get free clothes. Well, you're paying, well, no, you're getting it for free. You're shopping for free, girl. Okay, this is definitely screaming New Year's party or like a Galentine's event. So cute. Yeah, so check it out, see what you like, what you don't like. You guys kind of know my style. I'm very much simplistic. I love my ruffles. I love fabrics that are pretty. I'm trying to figure out how to even wear this. Oh my god, that's cute. She had to wear this with a super cute like long maxi skirt. Girl, the ruffles is too cute, girl. But yeah, just check it out. There's stuff everywhere, and there's dresses, there's skirts, you guys, for tennis. I mean, it's everything you want. So come on out and check them out. They're so cute. Like, they have the cutest things. Like, this is so cute for a church. How cute is that? That is screaming summertime. I recommend you come out and just browse, see what you like. I mean, even if it's for like a gift for someone else, you know, just explore. Okay, this is gorgeous. Okay, yes ma'am, this is like, ooh, this is like giving a nice party or an award ceremony. This is cute. Girl, well, first of all, we're not this, okay, but if you just kind of move that out of the way, the price, wow, that's actually really, really amazing. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. So that's goals to work out for the summertime, right? That's goals. That's so pretty. Yeah, girls, come out and check it out. They have the cutest things. Okay, this is really pretty. For like the fall season, I would wear this for the fall time, but you know, do you boo, if you want to wear it now, but I'd wait till the fall to wear that. Okay, this is stunning. Okay, this is really pretty. For like a cute picnic with your friends, this is cute. Yeah, that's really cute. And it's flowy, airy, really cute. Yeah, you guys, come out and check them out. They're super, super cool. Now for the fellas, they do have things as well too that I think you guys would like too, but you just have to kind of look and search and see what you're into. But they do have a lot of stuff for working out. If you're a fitness trainer, perfect store for you. If you want to get some nice things, I highly recommend you check them out. They have everything organized, you guys. The jeans, oh my goodness, organized. They have everything you need and more. So okay, that ruffle top is definitely super cute to me. I'd wear that with a white long maxi skirt. But yeah, check it out and see what you guys think. The shoes, my goodness. Okay, these are screaming take me home. Oh, these are so cute, you guys. For the spring and summer, so cute.